This is what 90 minutes of chaos looks like. Shots fired at a state trooper, a suspect fleeing on foot after a violent car crash. This is the minute-by-minute search for an armed fugitive in a residential neighborhood, culminating in a critical officer-involved shooting.
On May 13th, 2025, at approximately 10:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Fort Brown Border Patrol agents received a request for assistance from the Texas Department of Public Safety regarding shots fired at the intersection of East 23rd Street and Hortensia Street in Brownsville, Texas. A Texas DPS trooper attempted to stop a Ford Explorer near Southmost Road and 22nd Street, but the driver of the vehicle fled. While fleeing, the driver fired at the Texas DPS trooper's vehicle and then crashed into another vehicle. The driver abandoned the vehicle and fled on foot.
The search ended behind a house on East 23rd Street. Law enforcement located the driver, who was holding a pistol. Officers repeatedly screamed the command, "Drop the weapon! Show your hands!" The suspect ignored the orders, running toward the back door, and reportedly pointed the pistol directly at the Texas DPS, BPD, and Border Patrol agents.
I'll shoot you! Put your fucking hands up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun!
The responding officers subsequently fired their service-issued firearms. The driver sustained gunshot wounds to his left arm and pelvic area.
Where's your hands? Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Crawl! Stand back! Stand back! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! His gun is on the other side! Crossfire! Get the gun! He's right behind him! He's been shot. I need to get him. Hey!
This is the immediate aftermath. This is what the agents heard and saw. The driver was secured and received immediate medical care from a Border Patrol EMT on the scene. He remained conscious and responsive before being transported to Valley Baptist Hospital.
Hey, dude, I took... You took shots? I took shots, all right. You okay? All right, I'm good, I'm good. I got my suit, I got him right.
Okay. You're good. Hey, you stay with us.
All right.
We'll maintain it, okay?
Hey.
Stand by.
Hello?
We have a ranger here.
Dude.
Have no wire.
No, so, shots fired, so. I'm sorry, the guy, so he's hit.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
I was right behind you, bro.
Okay, yeah. So, I'm good. All right, anyways, we'll be here. So, at my location, that's where I'm at. Yeah, we shot him. And he's still alive. I did, me. And two.
Okay.
Yeah, me and two other, and the DPS. Just to let you know. Yeah. I'm good, yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, bye. Hey, he jumped the fence from over there this way.
Yes, we're good. Hey.
Oh, he empty. We need to take his handcuffs off. We need to put an occlusive on him.
The recovery position.
Yeah, he's fine. I think he went through.
Put him on the recovery position. Bring him up.
Here on the arm, and then on his.
Yeah. He went right through. All right, turn him over, brother. Turn over, put him in the recovery position. I know, brother. All right, come here. Oh, that's good. I know, brother. Just stand by.
Yeah.
Just,
I love you.
Just understand me. It's okay.
I respect soldiers here.
Bro, we told you to drop the gun, brother.
I want to be a soldier, but don't give me a chance to be a soldier.
All right, that's fine. No. Don't just relax.
You're good. I'm sorry. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm sorry, sir. But I just want to let you know, like.
Yeah, I guess for now. I mean, it's in the hip. We're good.
Well,
we don't want to pack, but yeah, go ahead and put it.
Fuck it. No, like we're in the forensic box. Put a seal
We're
on
good.
it.
Let's put a seal.
Just in case.
I know, brother.
We can't pack this. We can't.
No, we're going to pack it. I was going to cover it. If anything, that's it. Only pack the chest cavity. I mean, not the chest cavity.
Nope. Yeah. So
Good.
seal it.
Put it right in the center. Yeah, I'll wipe for that. All right, brother.
Yep. Let's go ahead and get this one.
I got another one.
Breathe.
I got one more. Yeah.
Single GSW. Lower left quadrant.
Stand by, brother.
You're good. Fight through it.
Hey, take him down. Make sure he's not anywhere else. Yeah, it went through.
Right, go this way, buddy.
It's all right.
Like extend his foot.
Get his fucking shirt off. Yeah, you're all right.
Sir. So I'll check down here. Sir.
No, not yet. Take him out and cover him.
Yep.
There's no. You're all right, brother.
Squeeze it out.
That's all right. He's breathing, so we're good.
Check his legs.
Yeah.
I'm going 10. Yep. Sir.
Nothing.
What else? Any more patches?
Nah, we're good. It's just single through.
Lower left quadrant. It's sealed. Secondary blood sweeps, and then he needs to go.
He's good, brother. All right, well, stand by. How far's the ambulance?
Okay, sir.
All right, bro. You'll be good. What's your name?
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, right there. Grab one. You just got on the arm. Just wrap it.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me cut it. Wrap it. So yeah, just breathe normal, all right? Breathe normal, dude.
I want to be a soldier.
Yeah, just use
It's all right, brother. Just wrap it. We're good.
It doesn't stretch, so if he starts to swell, just use a pressure dressing it.
Hey, let him know. Hey, where he jumped? I don't know if there's another guy back there. So I saw him run.
They're going inside right now. They're checking it out.
But he jumped from across the alley this way. So I don't know if there's more on that side.
You have one.
You have another one over here, boss? That's right there. Okay. You're gonna go. The ambulance coming right now.
That's it, sir.
I know. We're gonna try to get you out there, bro.
Sir, I'm not going to be a bad person, sir, but I know.
Bro.
I know, sir.
It's all good. It's all good, brother. You have any other pains?
Sir.
You know what day today is? What day is today?
Hey, you're hold on. I mean, yeah, I got you. He's alert. He's verbal. He's
Yeah, he's alert. Hey, brother, have you taken any drugs today? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Nothing. No marijuana, no opiate, no nothing, no uppers, nothing. Okay. All right.
drank.
No, sir.
Nothing. All right.
I go die, sir.
All right, he's good.
I go die.
No, brother. Your pulse is really good, brother. It's strong. Your pulse is strong. You're good. Yeah, this one's good right here, brother.
98. We still got like 5 minutes to wait. Do we want to?
Yeah, we can do the whole thing. What do you say about 20K took off on foot? He's coming towards us, he said.
Medical care continued until the arrival of the Brownsville Fire Department Emergency Medical Services personnel who provided additional medical care and subsequently transported him to the Valley Baptist Hospital in Brownsville, Texas, where he was admitted for advanced medical care. Local law enforcement partners established hospital watch on the driver. The BPAs involved in this incident did not sustain or